Hey, what's up, guys? This is Akshay from AS Learning, and today we are back with our fifth data science interview question. Today we have picked a very basic question of NLP, the most asked question of NLP. That is, what is the difference between stemming and lemmatization? Okay, so first of all, let's try to understand what is stemming and what is lemmatization. So, stemming and lemmatization both are a part of text normalization, text pre-processing, text cleaning kind of activities. Okay, so whenever you're doing any NLP task or working on any NLP project, the first thing which you need to do is you need to convert your words and your strings into numbers, because our system only understand numbers. Okay, and for converting these things, we do a lot of pre-processing activity, and stemming and lemmatization are one of those majorly done activities. Okay, now let's try to understand what is stemming and what is lemmatization. Stemming, if I tell you in a very layman way, it's crude chopping of words. Okay, for example, if my word is playing, so it will chop off the ing, that is the last suffix wala thing. Okay, so whenever all the suffixes and all those things are crudely chopped off in stemming. Stemming is a rule based algorithm. Okay, there are some specific rules. A word comes as an input and we see some suffix being chopped off very crudely. Okay, some of the examples are playing gets chopped off to play. And for example, if you have example trouble, trouble, that will get chopped off to troubl, trouble. Then even the other forms of trouble like troubled, troubling, all those will get chopped off to troubl. Okay, now what's the problem with stemming is that this chopping and the root word which we are getting does not makes any sense. Okay, we get a word troubl, not every time. Like playing gets chopped off to play. Play is a meaningful word, but stemming can give you unmeaningful words also. That is why they say it is crude chopping of words. Okay, that does not happens in lemmatization. In lemmatization, what happens is it is also bringing the inflation of the words to its root form, but the root form is a word which can be found in dictionary, or it is a meaningful word. Okay, that is a major difference between stemming and lemmatization. Stemming chops off the words into meaningful or unmeaningful words, but lemmatization will always chop off the words to meaningful words. Then stemming is faster, lemmatizations are slower, and we also saw examples like here. If we see one more example, caring. Now, caring is being chopped off to car by a stemmer, but caring will get converted to care, care, with the help of lemmatization. The sense of the word is preserved there. Okay, and some of the most popular stemmers are snowball, porter, lancaster, regex, etc. And in lemmatization, we have wordnet lemmatizer. Okay, you can very easily find stemmers for many languages. Like for Hindi, Marathi, also we have stemmers, but finding lemmatizers or good lemmatizers for such language is really hard. Currently, we only have very few good lemmatizers for high level languages, and whenever it comes to doing activities on low level languages of some less known countries like Vietnam or maybe some Egyptian countries and all, you will always find it. You will always find this trouble of finding good packages of lemmatizers. You might find stemmers, but finding lemmatizers is really hard. Okay, so that's the difference between stemming and lemmatization. And if you like the video, if you learned something, give it a thumbs up, share it with interested friends. Do check the other 4 interview question of data science also. And stay tuned to AS Learning for more such amazing tech stuff. Take care. Peace out.